What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the network has new details about the new record features of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and confirmed release date of the Galaxy S21 FE and Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphones from a trusted source. Yes, according to available information, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive an OLED display with record brightness. It will be higher than any other Samsung smartphone. The indicator is not yet known. Samsung's new flagship smartphone is expected to get the company's best display. According to ICE Universe Insider, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have at least the brightest screen. The peak brightness of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will set a new record for Samsung OLED displays. Obviously, Samsung will retain the best screens. How high the peak brightness of the new display will be is not yet clear. For Galaxy S21 Ultra, this figure is declared equal to 1500 CD M2. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S21 FE and Galaxy S22 release dates, exclusive information from Front Page Tech and Jon Prosser on his Twitter profile. Authoritative network whistleblower Jon Prosser, the editor of the Front Page Tech, has released exclusive information on the start date for pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. He confirmed that pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphones will start in the second week of February next year. Previously, it was expected that the Galaxy S22 will be presented in January. However, Jon Prosser claims that in January 11th, the South Korean giant will release the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition and the Galaxy S22 will be announced in February next year. ICE Universe announced this week that the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus will have flat bezels and symmetrical display bezels. He also made an interesting comparison. Samsung Galaxy S22 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus will look like the iPhone 13 without bangs. Smartphones will receive Snapdragon 898 and Exynos 2200 SoCs in different regions of the world. Power will be provided by a 5000 mAh battery with support for fast 45-watt charging. The novelty will be equipped with a QHD Plus LTPO AMOLED display measuring 6.8 inches diagonally. The refresh rate of this panel will be 120 Hz. The front camera will be located in a small hole in the center at the top of the display. ICE Universe has more than once shared information that was later confirmed. In particular, he spoke about the new Samsung image sensors, including 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel image sensors. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.